Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to use private DNS on Android 16. So first, go to settings, now go to network and internet, and here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the private domain name system, which is the DNS. Now as you guys can see, we can either turn off the private DNS or we can provide the host name. So if let's say you don't want ads on your device, then I recommend you guys using dns.adguard.com. But I do not recommend that using it like every day, because it also makes Google unavailable in most situations because of the ads here on the main page, and it completely blocks ads. So basically this is how you guys can use the DNS. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.